What's up, guys? Welcome to the podcast. Nico here with Pat. That's the NBA crew. Kami yung NBA crew na sinusubaybayan nyo once a week. So far, no? Kasi medyo magulo pa schedule natin. But Pat and I have committed to once a week. Then we'll just see how
NBA Mondays.
na naging Tuesday.
Na naging Tuesday. Hindi. It's Monday somewhere in the world.
Oh, it's actually sa US. Sa
Yeah.
US, it's Monday. So, our topic for today is kung nakita nyo sa title or kung wala sa title, we are going to give our top five most surprising rookies and our top five most surprising players. So, we're not gonna go in depth to everything, to every player kasi magiging sobrang tagal yun. So, we're gonna go through the reason why we're gonna give a quick, ano lang naman, summary on why they are surprising pick and then you guys could fill out the details in the comments on either supporting us or if you have other players na gusto nyo i-vouch for. So that's the point of this podcast. So thank you by the way dun sa last natin, NBA pod. I think our most pat, I think 1.2K dun sa last recording natin sa Mavs. Maraming comments yung mga about how the Mavericks are doing, 'di ba? So, 'di ba nakaka-attraction ng NBA natin. So, Pat, ikaw unahin ko. Ikaw
Do
buena
it.
mano.
Wait,
Number
are we gonna
one,
go with rookies first?
rookies muna. Oh, rookies
Okay.
muna. Tapos yung least most surprising. Least most surprising.
Most surprise. Okay, so yung top na surprising muna. Alright?
Ay, yeah, yeah, yung top. Oh, yeah, 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 yeah. Ganun. Sorry. Basta
Okay.
yung most surprise, sorry. Yung, so yung pinaka ano mo, rookie mo na, wow.
Wow, right now. Okay.
Oh, pinaka, oh, number one.
So the top.
The top.
The top ko right now is, to be honest, it's si Will Richard.
Will Richard,
No, no,
the
no, no,
most
no.
surprising.
No surprising because
Galing ah. Nice pull, Will
no,
Richard.
no. 56th pick.
Mm-mm.
Limited minutes. Very efficient sa konting minutes na nilalaro niya. A guard heavy team pero he's holding his own.
Mm-mm.
40% sa 3-point area. So, I know maraming rookies na bigger numbers sa kanya. Pero imagine if, sa akin lang, tingin ko, if nalagay siya dun sa situation na yon sa more minutes and more workload, mas malaki yung magagawa
Ako
niya. So,
contribute niya, no? Solid
yeah.
si
So,
Will
he's
Richard for the
surprising at
Warriors.
56. Tapos, ganyan pala siya kagaling. 'Di ba?
Okay. So I have Will Richard in my honorable mention. He's actually my sixth. Kung, 'di ba,
Okay. Yeah.
sasakto. So mine is Ryan Kalkbrenner.
Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm.
Ryan Kalkbrenner, the 34th pick in the 2025 draft. He was a 5-year player with Creighton. So inisip ko lagi pag mga 5-year player, very cap, no? At the very least, di sila masyado makaka have that impact in the NBA.
Yeah.
Pero bro, si Kalkbrenner, 10 points a game, 7.1 rebounds, 2.2 blocks, which is good for second in the NBA, and 81% from the field, leading the whole league.
Yeah.
Rookie.
Yep. 81%. Agree. Agree.
Crazy. Gusto ko mag-collect tuloy ng Kalkbrenner cards.
Yeah. Sobrang I agree with you na si Kyle Renner ang aking fourth.
Okay, so dito
Fourth ko
sakto. O
siya.
di, tapos
Fourth
na.
ko siya.
Okay,
Fourth ko siya.
Kalkbrenner. Anything more on
Yeah.
Kalkbrenner na hindi ko
Um,
para discuss?
yung ano talaga, I think you said it na, yung best talaga niya is yung 81% field goal percentage niya.
Grabe
Maybe
siya sa
that's
fantasy, no? He's a top
yeah.
50 player.
Yeah. Siguro it's a really you being a center, what do you call this? Of course, in the paint ka nagtatrabaho. Tataas
Mm.
talaga yung percentage mo. But for him as a rookie to convert those shots at 81%, wow, impressive. And
Si
again,
ay,
34 34th pick. Hindi, 'di ba?
second rounder, just
Second
like Will
rounder.
Richard.
Yes, sir. So that's my fourth.
Okay.
So pareho tayo. Your third would be,
Next,
feeling ko pareho
third.
na tayo dito sa mga to. But yeah,
Hindi,
go.
lima pa lang nabibigay ko eh. Ay, fifth pa lang nabibigay ko eh. So fourth ko
Okay.
na next. Fourth ko is Derek Queen.
Okay.
Derek Queen, I call him the Black Jokic. No, of course, kasi nakita natin how comfortable he is in facilitating on the break, set up
Mhm.
from the high post. Nakakatuwa siya panoorin pero medyo nalilimit yung minutes niya as long as
Yeah.
Zion Williamson is playing. Just like what happened a while ago. No? Zion came back. Queen only played 17 minutes. Pero you could see that the upside is there. You could see
Okay.
na kailangan niya lang more minutes and he will produce.
Okay. Yeah. I agree with you. Queen
Mhm.
is my third. Um, you call him the Black Jokic. Ako, Baby Jokic. Ba-
Baby Jokic. Ay, kala ko ba si
Baby Jokic.
Şengün na yun? Di ba si Şengün na
Yeah.
yung Baby
Yun nga,
Jokic?
pero I saw it online. Sabi ko, yeah, pwede nga Baby Jokic. Kasi
Sige,
the
siya na
other
lang.
time he played, di ba, he was playing point forward. And then the
Oo.
passes, ang ganda ng passes, the three-pointers, 'di ba? So, what do you call this? Galing, impressive si Derek Queen. And but to add to what you said, it's not just Zion. Remember last year, the Pelicans were really high on Misi.
Oh yeah, si
So I
Ives.
really think they're in a pickle right now. Misi ba or Derek Queen? Kasi siguro, galing eh. I don't know kung mapagsasabay nila yan. But kanina, I think kaya 17 minutes lang si Queen, si Missy yung gumawa kanina eh. I think second quarter
Hmm.
pa lang, double-double na si Missy eh. So I think yun nga, the competition is there. So tingnan natin, I think we always use the term, is this sustainable? Tingnan natin
Mm.
kung 82 games, kaya niya yung mga highlights niya from last week. Last week siya sumabog eh.
True. Yeah, last week nga siya sumabog. And for a 13 pick, no? Nakakatuwa rin. Especially na si Jeremiah Fierce. Not sure kung nasa 5 mo siya. Pero si Fierce is also a guy na, ano na lang, sisingit ko na lang, since we're talking about the Pelicans, a guy na they lean on heavily, no, Pat? Ever since wala na si Coach Willie Green, si James Borrego yung, so he's all in the youth movement. Okay, mine is, ay, go. Ikaw na. Nabigay ko na yung fourth ko. Third
Okay,
mo si Queen din, di ba?
third ko si Queen. Okay, my second would be si Fierce sa'yo.
Hindi, wala pa. Di pa nga nabibigay yung fourth. Di pa ko pa nabibigay yung third ko. Sabihin ko na
O,
ba yung third ko?
yeah, sino yung third mo?
Si Cedric Coward.
Okay, okay.
Third ko si Makes sense, di ba?
Yeah.
Cedric Coward. Cedric Coward. Ganda na start. Ito na yung three rookies na siguro papahira sa. Pero hindi. Sabi mo, Jeremiah Fierce ka eh. Yung isa mo. So, si VJ, si Cedric Coward, now with the starting role in the Memphis Grizzlies, na in a funk, 'di ba? Yung leader nila and Ja Morant is currently not enjoying basketball, hasn't found his joy daw. But this guy looks like Joe Johnson 2.0, no?
Mm-hmm, mm-hmm.
Uh, Aggressive guy, and I just realized na 11th pick pala siya no, sa draft. I
Yeah,
thought that he was a later first rounder or something, pero he's playing like a legit top 5 player. Itong si Cedric Coward.
I really agree. What do you call this? I admit, hindi ko siya kilala.
Nung
Coming in,
prior, di ba?
coming
Prior
in,
eh.
coming in the season, hindi ko siya kilala. Narinig ko na lang, so sunod si Coward, si Coward, si Coward, 'di ba? So sabi ko, I checked him out. Yeah, 15 points per game, 6 rebounds, 3 assists, steals, everything, clutch shots. Sabi ko, he's playing like a second or third year guy already. So, and yun nga, 11 pick. So, parang mapapansin mo to sa draft class na to, ang daming scouts na nag-slip. Para, paano umabot sa mas mababa yung iba, 'di ba? So, yeah. Second ko si Cedric Howard.
Cedric Coward. Umangat siya to 2
Yes.
sa'yo. So yung 3 mo si Fierce, ka discuss mo na kanina.
No, 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 ang three ko si Queen.
Si Derek Queen.
Yeah, I
Okay.
think you meant,
So si
akala ko
Fierce na
ikaw.
sa ano mo? Hindi. Minention ko lang si Jeremiah Fierce na kasi I was talking about the Pelicans na rin. So I was
Oh,
like,
yeah,
okay,
yeah,
fine.
yeah.
I mentioned si Fierce. Pero sa honorable mention ko siya. So I have given you two of my honorable mentions already, which is Will Richard and Fierce. So
Ako, Pierce is my honorable mention. He's my
honorable
sixth.
mention mo si Fierce.
He's my
Okay.
sixth, yes.
Zero Fierce. So pogi rin ng jersey.
Aha.
Zero Fierce.
Oo nga, no?
Diba?
Yeah, galing, galing.
Um, Number 2 mo is Edgecombe,
No, no. Cedric Howard.
Cedric Howard. Same reasons.
Yeah, same reason. Surprise talaga for me. Surprise siya. Literally. Sabi ko, saan galing to? Diba? My first, okay, hindi to super surprise, but surprise kasi siya ang nagli-lead ngayon sa rookie ladder.
Yeah. Hindi, pero yeah, surprising kasi
Kasi
we didn't think he would be.
a few episodes ago, we were like, Edgecombe versus Flag lang.
'Di ba? Edgecombe versus Flag a few episodes
And
ago.
then now, kilala ko si Canopel, pero I thought he was gonna be that um shooter lang.
Kala mo ano lang, spot up three,
Shooter lang siya.
flyby,
Akala ko,
fake, fly,
yun nga,
tira, ganun.
yun nga yung okay. The white boy, the white guy who shoots threes.
Yeah.
'Di ba? Pero now he's creating, he's slashing, 19.4 points per game, 5.8 boards, 2.9 assists, and wow, 3.7 three-pointers per game.
He has surprising hops, no?
Big boy
For,
numbers.
pati
Big
si
boy numbers.
LaMelo Ball, he didn't
Yeah.
take na may hops daw si Concanepal.
Yeah. And yeah, he's holding his own. I really think parang biglang nawala sa mapa si Edgecombe and si Flag. Tapos napilay pa si Harper.
Mm.
Parang wow, this is gonna be an interesting ROTY race. So yeah, those
Okay.
are my top 5. Sino
Ako rin,
first mo?
Kanepal din
Ano pa
Kanepal din
din?
first ko. Yeah, so parang wala na akong
I think
sasabihin
nagano
kay
lang tayo.
Con.
Nagkiba lang
I want,
tayo sa
nag-ano ng
honorable
order.
mention.
Wala lang akong Will Richard sa
Yeah, denied ko
fifth.
siya.
Sana hindi trade ng Warriors, bro. We traded Ryan Rollins for Chris Paul. Doon nag-start yun. Pero who knew
Alam mo,
naman, di ba? It's not like I would not do it. I mean, who knew naman, di ba? Di ba? It's not the fault of it. Actually, kasi the scouting team should have said na, inatrabaho ng mga scout, boss, wag mo i-trade. Yeah.
pero grabing story ni Ryan ni Rollins, 'di ba? Like
Maganda nga story niya.
last year na shoplifter pa siya. Feeling ko talagang wala na
What?
siyang
Anong,
alam mo ba alam 'yan? Well, I saw it online na
really?
parang
Wait, he was in the NBA already?
yeah, tanong mo, tingnan mo if Ryan Rollins legal shit.
Bro. Wait lang. Ryan Rollins. Mukha nga. Oo nga, no? January 2024. 7 theft charges.
Yeah. Plus that wasn't a scam or anything in a convenience store. So
It's a, shoplifting spree.
So I don't know kung gutom lang talaga siya or is this a case of being a klepto pero
Okay, gets ko ba't siya pinakawalan din ng Warriors, bro?
'di ba? Well, maybe he was really out of cash though. So but still, stealing is stealing. But yeah, anyway, it's a good story. Total bounce back sa bad life, 'di ba? And sucky career.
Okay. Next. At least nag-bounce back na siya. Is killing our teams sa pagkalaban
Pero
natin sa fantasy.
imagine they've been looking for the next Curry.
But Ryan Rollins, is Ryan Rollins like that? Iba, he plays different, no?
Not yet.
Iba
I
naman
mean,
laro.
no. Pero,
No, at least play
pero,
style. Iba, di ba?
ibang play style. Pero,
Oh,
pero, he can be a big, like, a solid piece.
key piece.
Di ba?
Kay Will Richard, di na sila papakala si Will Richard.
Di ba? Kasi ang daming naging players ng Warriors na parang naging rotation guy lang eh. Di ba? Ang dami nilang tinry. Ngayon, may Moody.
Buti nag-stick si Modi, no?
Ang dami pa nga. Sino yung naging asawa ng kapatid nila? Si Lee.
Si
Damian
Damian
Lee.
Lee.
Lee. 'Di ba? Ang dami nila si Guy Santos. Ang dami nila rotation players eh. So, yeah, anyway. Pero ang pinaka-hassle, 'di ba? Ay, you're still recording ibang topic yung they said no to Laurie. Shucks.
Next time na yun.
Next
Next time
time
na
na.
yun.
Next time na yun.
Hindi naman yung topic ngayon na
Oh, pero
pasakitin puso ko, di ba?
pag napapanood ko yung nabasa ko, oh my God.
Ngayon ko lang na looking back, mapapa-oh my God ka na rin eh, no? Na
No.
parang, bakit ayaw na trade si Pods? Pero nung time kasi na yun, Pat, okay laro ni
Eh,
Pods
sobrang
eh.
hype kay Pods din eh.
The next thing you know, yun na pala yung ceiling niya.
Yun na pala yun. Di ba meron
Yun na
pa nga
pala
siyang
yun.
I wanna be better than Steph Curry. May ganun pa
That's
siyang,
good. I mean, that's a good
yeah,
target. Like, you can say
but,
whatever you want, you just have to show it to us, diba?
yes, yes, yes.
Okay, we're now moving on to the five most surprising players. Can I first start with the negative?
No.
Now, surprising. Kasi surprising naman
Wait,
doesn't have to be all positive.
okay, sige, sige. You know, I was
Ito,
thinking about that. I did not go for the negatives, but I have negatives
may
still.
isa
But
lang, may isa akong negative. Ikaw you can still shake up your list while you're at it.
I have one. I have one.
O sige, I think parehas tayo. I'll start off. Ito kahit in no order na Pat, let's just give off names and let the people comment on it.
okay.
Number one, Ja Morant.
Chamaran. All right.
Negative, most surprising. Uh, the first week ni Ja kasi was full of, ano, 'di ba? Controversy. Didn't like how he was being used by his coach. Nagkakasagutan sila. Next thing you know, he lost his joy. He played like trash.
Mhm.
And now he's injured. And now I know the franchise is considering trading him or trying to shop him around. Not
Mhm.
sure dun sa rumors na yon. Pero what a fall from grace. Medyo naiinis lang rin ako kasi nasa fantasy team ko siya. Pero I
Yeah.
drafted him in the fifth round. So parang tama lang din na nag-fall siya to the fifth to me. So, but yeah, medyo disappointing si Ja in a year na dapat they're taking the leaps na itong 2020 class. Even though na medyo disappointing nga yung class na yun. Except Tyler Hero who has been steady naman.
Yeah. Me, my negative. Mention lang siya. Hindi siya kasama sa five ko. Okay, hindi siya yung key ano ko eh. But Miles Turner,
Positive, negative.
negative. Just a
Okay.
mention. Hindi siya yung
Yeah,
five
kasi
ko.
new team eh, di ba? New team
Yeah,
eh. You
but
kind of have to expect it.
yeah, but veteran na siya eh. And feeling ko he's the type na dapat kinuha siya doon to be a plug and play guy na eh. Sabak na kagad dapat yan eh. Especially
Mm.
when now sila with, 'di ba si Giannis, I think I read preseason ano eh. Um pag if they don't win pa rin this year, he's gonna consider ano na other teams. But anyway, yeah, Miles Turner.
Okay, Miles Turner. Uh, Next ko is positive na tong lahat. Is Keontae
Okay.
George. Dude,
Mhm.
Keontae George, 22.8 points, 7.1 assists, 3.9 rebounds. Dude's killing it. 'Di ba? The wins just have to follow. Pero the stats are there eh. Kita mo
Yeah.
yung stats, Pat. And
Okay.
they have something going in Utah. They have something
Mhm.
going now. Ace Bailey was able to enter the starting five at 21 points. Laurie Markkinen suddenly looks like a fixture. You don't want to trade him kasi
Yeah.
biglang, parang okay to ah. It's like they have
Pero it's
something.
weird It's weird na he's in trade talks pa rin
Yeah, it's still weird in trade talks pero I don't think na they're really pushing hard to trade him. It's more say bahala na. Let's check the age of Laurie. I know he's in eh.
I think he's below 30 pa
Markkinen.
lang.
It's 28.
28, 28. Bata siyang pumasok din sa NBA.
True. Yeah. So yun, I have Keontae George. Yours,
Ki-
who's next?
Okay, Keontae's my fifth.
Okay, mention mo
Fifth.
na. Okay.
Ah, because, di ba I told you like before, when we were doing that ranking episode,
Oo.
Keontae George, nababantayan ko na siya last year and I knew already na this guy's gonna do something next year. And
Mm.
true enough, what do you call this? He's really improving year on year. So I expected this from this guy. Pero napawaw lang ako kasi parang sobra naman. Talagang he's being a leader out there and he's really producing as well.
Wala, di mo expect, di
Along
ba?
along with Lori. Usually, 'di ba pag naghahalimaw yung isa, supporting lang tong isa. Hindi,
Oo.
sumasabay siya eh. 'Di ba? So,
Galing
yeah,
niya.
Keontae. Keontae George. Your
Next one.
your ano ba? Third. Third na or fourth?
Third ko na.
Third.
Nabigay ko na si Ja,
Okay.
Keontae, bro, Jalen Johnson.
Okay, agree, agree.
Jalen Johnson is unreal.
Mhm.
22.8 points, 58% from the field. Mind you, he's a wing. 58% from the field as a wing, 40% from three, 6.6 assists. Dude, the guy is an all-around player. He looks like a
And
franchise star, bigla. And they're
kasama siya sa
winning.
MVP convo right now.
Well,
Na-
he is, pero
Stats wise,
outside,
stats wise, stats
stats
wise.
wise, stats wise,
Yeah,
it's SGA and Jokic lang naman, and
yeah, of
Giannis
course.
with a bit of Luka, sprinkle of Luka.
Pero, 'di ba? Pero for that guy to be just in the convo, galing, 'di ba?
Gali, nobody like guys, you didn't expect na
Nobody expected.
pag-uusapan
I did
natin.
not expect.
End of
Sabi nga
November, we're
nila
gonna
eh,
talk about Jalen Johnson.
it's ano nga daw eh, is it his team now?
Oh, well, it's gonna take some time. He has to prove it in the
Yeah,
playoffs.
but
Trae Young
I
has
read
done so much.
somewhere,
Oh,
I read somewhere na parang delikado yung trabaho ni ano,
Trey.
Ray.
He has to.
Something like that.
Trey has to kinda differ. Kinda
Yeah.
differ sa scoring. Baka focus more on playmaking.
No,
Pwede
that's what
yun.
he has been doing even last season. If you noticed, you play fantasy, right? Nag double
We're in the
digits yung
same league.
yeah. No, no, even
Oh.
before.
Oh.
Ano siya, 'di ba? Nag-spike yung assist niya.
Oh.
So, I think that's gonna be his role. It's gonna be the talagang leadership role na rin talaga si Trey.
Yeah.
Pero superstar in the making tong si Johnson.
Okay, next. Wait, I gave mine,
Me,
ano? Go.
yeah, ako naman. Bro, Austin Reeves.
Yeah, Austin Reeves. I have him at my next one.
Austin Reeves. For
Yeah,
me,
go.
I really thought he's gonna be the third guy lang or utility guy. Pero nung nawala si LeBron, siya yung 1-2 punch. And game winners, long balls, 'di ba? As in, hindi nga siya support eh. Kasi tandem siya kay Luka during those days na wala si LeBron. So, really, from 20 points per game to 28 points per game, very impressive.
Very impressive. I am impressed. Next one, but is for me Josh Giddey. Matagal ko nang hina-hype up si Josh Giddey
Yeah.
sa mga usapan natin. I think
The guy
nagsimula tong
got
topic.
paid. The guy got paid.
And ano bro, wala na yung controversy of yung underage girl na hindi sinabi sa, according to reports, hindi daw sinabi sa kanya yung age niya. So nagka-dele-deleche, but of course, the blame is on Giddy as the older guy. Syempre tama naman, the blame is supposed to be on him. He has to do his due diligence and everything. It looked bad on the optics. Pero I think
Yeah.
with all that behind, this guy is playing his best basketball. 20.5 points, 10 rebounds a night, 9.5 assists. Uh, Good shooting, 46% from the field, 38, or rather 39% from three, and 76% from the line, which needs work. But overall, if they continue to play themselves into the playoff spot, I think Giddy is an all-star.
Yeah. Ito na lang, basic.
It's all
Triple
world.
do-
It's all world
triple
versus
double.
US. All
Triple
world team
double
too.
average. Triple double average. 'Di ba?
He's close to
Nine,
that. Yeah, yeah.
no, 9.8, 9.7 is
Yeah.
technically a 10. 'Di
Very
ba? So,
close. Uh-oh.
so triple double average. So wild. Um, he's my number 3. He's
Number
my number
three.
3. Number 3. Josh Giddey.
Okay.
My next
Pag ilan,
you.
where are we? Last ko na to, di ba?
Yeah, last mo na. Nag-ano ka kasi?
Damn. I
Yeah,
have
go.
Austin, wait lang, I have Austin in my honorable mentions. Last
Mhm.
ko, so at least na-credit mo na si Austin Reeves. Akin, bro, Chet Holmgren. Chet
Mhm.
Holmgren, 19.3 points, 70% from the two-point range. The Thunder are the best in the league with him on the floor. Or rather, ibang klase naman Thunder ngayon, Pat, diba?
Yeah.
Pero Chet Holmgren, I'm surprised by his production. At nakatuto ako kay Chet kasi he's on my fantasy team. So I see I see is what he has been doing the whole time. Diba? For a big man that plays outside the paint, 56% is
Yeah.
something na you don't scoff at, no? He's only playing 29 minutes per game, 84% from the free throw line. from 3, 34%. And solid player still overall, no? The
Alam mo yung
steals are,
nakakatawa
the
dyan?
blocks are, yeah,
Mikey and I were talking. Di ba? We play
Chet Holmgren.
fantasy.
Oh,
Ay, yung team ng Thunder, tatambakan na nila yung buong, yung kalaban nila, third quarter pa lang. I mean, most of
oo,
the games, okay?
oo.
Tapos, fourth quarter, hindi na maglalaro yung mga stars nila. Kasi even the bench players are good. So, para imagine mo na lang kung hanggang fourth quarter naglalaro yan sila. Isipin mo gaano kataas yung stats nila, di ba? Feeling nga namin si Shea, may usapan na sila eh. Habulin ko lang yung 30 points per game ko, tapos upo mo na ako.
Ah,
Me,
tama.
okay, kanina pa natin pinag-uusapan.
Oh,
Pero siya na yung top ko. But bago that, Jaime Jaquez.
Jaime Jaquez, okay. Nasa
From
honorable
8
mention kasi Jaime.
from 8.6 to 16.4 points per game, 4.4 boards to 6.8, and then 2.5 assists to 5.4. Tapos really playing very good basketball. Yeah, nagulat ako actually. But of course, wala pa si Tyler Hero. And he just played a while ago. So let's see if he's gonna sustain that kind of production with Hero there.
So far, so good. So far, so good.
Yeah, so
Di
far so
ba?
good. Okay, yung last ko talaga for me right now, shocking. But of course, I think it's because of the opportunity, si Ryan Rollins.
Kailangan isigat si Ryan Rollins. Sige,
Uh,
insert this
from
guy.
6.2 points per game to 17.4. And from a shoplifting scandal to a potential star player, di ba?
Wala,
Galing.
bro. From 7 counts of shoplifting. Not
To
just one.
from 7 counts of shoplifting to 17 points per game.
Okay,
So,
alam ko na sino thumbnail natin, si Ryan Rollins.
Ryan Rollins,
7 shoplifting to 17 points per
17 points
game.
per game. Galing, bro. Tapos, by the way, ano ko, honorable mention ko, Laurie Markkanen. Si Laurie.
Kailangan mo i-insert si
Kasi for me,
Laurie, no?
expected eh. Kasi superstar naman siya to begin with eh. Magaling naman talaga siya eh.
Oo.
So, parang unfair isama ko siya sa top 5. But, yeah, there you go, sir. I think we're 80% the same.
Yeah.
90 even.
We are
Nasa
80%
ganun.
the same. 80% the same nga, bro.
Yung,
But, yeah. Maganda. I mean, it's medyo, alam mong we follow the league. We follow the league. So kayo guys, let us know what you think. Let us know sino yung rookies nyo, most surprising. Let us know sino yung most surprising vets. Second year and above. So see you all next time. Nico and Pat here will have more NBA content coming your way.
Peace, guys.